Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the newest addition to TAG Heuer's Carrera lineup, a chronograph with a silver Panda dial. Drawing inspiration from the vintage Carrera reference 7753SN, this watch aims to combine heritage with modernity. The racing heritage is part of Heuer's DNA, as best shown in the film Le Mans 66 from 2019. The brand is still present in today's World Endurance Championships. The Carrera name is shared between Porsche and TAG Heuer, and the watches can be seen on the wrists of WEC drivers. Let's look at the design of the new Carrera Chronograph. Encased in a sleek stainless steel 39mm second-generation Glassbox case is the concave dial, which slopes upwards to meet the tall sapphire crystal. The tachymeter scale is under the crystal rather than on the outside of it, on the bezel. This unique design element adds a touch of intrigue and sets this watch apart from the rest. The new silver dial with black chronographs subdials and the red accents on the hands and minute track complements the current lineup of blue and black dial Carrera chronographs. And let's not forget about the bracelet, a simple yet elegant three-link design that fits the overall aesthetic of the watch. But it's not just about looks. The Carrera Glassbox is powered by the caliber TH20-00. This automatic chronograph movement, premiered in 2023, operates at 4 Hz with an impressive 80-hour power reserve. Unlike with entry-level Heuer's models, this is a true in-house movement which utilizes column wheel and vertical clutch for the ultimate tactile experience of operating the start, stop, and reset pushers. The movement architecture allowed the thickness of the watch to reduce below 14 millimeters, including dome crystal. Priced at €6,700, the new Carrera Chronograph can be your entry ticket to a world of motorsport, even if you don't drive a Porsche. But let's face it, your daily commute is not the Le Mans racetrack either.